Hi guys, I have some news for you today. It's a new year and I want to give my channel a new name, and I need your help deciding which one I want to use. So last year when I started my channel, it was all punch needle, and that's what it has been up until January, except for I think the one camping video and maybe one vacation video. So anyway, now I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to be adding wool applique will be the main thing I'm adding, along with the punch needle. And so I have some patterns here that I'm going to be working on that I can show you. Not sure how well you can see that. That's Buttermilk Basin. I've got this book by Maggie. Not sure how to say her last name. I'm going to be doing this pattern. I've done it once before and I sold it, so I want to do that again for myself. Maybe this pattern, I've done that one before, might do that again. This one is a very large one I've not done before. I'm thinking about doing that one. And then yesterday I purchased this one from Rebecca Smith. And this one from Rebecca Smith. So I also went to the thrift store, got a little piece of Ada that's kind of tea stained. Might try some cross stitch. So anyway, those are some things that I have in the works besides the punch needle that I'll be doing, of course. So those are going to be added to the channel. As I do them, I'll be adding those videos in. I did get a positive response on adding some other things besides punch needle, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I may also do some rug punch. I may do some rug hooking, but those are going to be few and far between. It's mainly going to be punch needle and wool applique. So here's some ideas that I have, and I need you to vote in the comments. Tell me which one you like best. Needle and threads with Needle and threads with Privies and Prims. Needlework with Privies and Prims. Needlecrafts with Privies and Prims. Or punch needle and needlework with Privies and Prims. I know that's really long, but I want it to say what the channel's about, so that when people see it in a channel search, they'll know what the focus of my channel is. So if you have another idea, put that in the comments, but these are the ones that I've come up with, and I'm going to list these again in the description right underneath this video, so you'll be able to be reminded of what they are. So I need you to comment for me and tell me what channel name you like the best. And in response, or I would say reward kind of, for you commenting and giving me your input, I have a giveaway. So I have this brand new, never used, punch needle and primitive stitcher magazine from spring 2020. So it's just kind of been stashed. I didn't make anything from it, and I'm going to give this away to somebody that doesn't have it. So if you would like to be entered to win this, make sure you're subscribed, and in your comment put the word magazine. So you must be a subscriber. You must include the word magazine in your comment, along with telling me which of my little channel names you like best. So I'm going to put all this down in the description below the video, and hopefully you can help me out here. And I'm going to draw. Let's see, today is Monday. I will do the drawing next Monday, which will be the 11th. So sometime Monday evening next week, I will do the random comment picker on the wheel to see who wins the magazine. So please help me out here to decide a new channel name. Again, I'm going to put the choices down in the comments, and I would love for you to help me decide, because I want to know what you guys think and which one sounds best, which one tells the focus of my channel. Okay, thanks. Happy stitching, everybody. Bye.